Thank you for using Compass Wave. Today we're going to set up a custom estimate tool in a couple easy steps. First, enter your base pricing figures. Simply go step by step and fill out any applicable inputs. Next, create any custom fields. These can be purely informational or can affect the estimate based on the customer's responses. Next, set up any third-party integrations like Stripe, Zapier, and SendJim. The fourth step is to use our drag-and-drop no-code solution to set up the order and functionality of your estimate form. Add new pages and drag modules into place as you please. We're almost done. Now put your designer hat on and select how you want your form to look and feel. Finally, install the form into your web page with either a script or an iframe tag. Follow the simple instructions to include in your WordPress website. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out via the chat bubble in the bottom right hand of the screen. Have a great day.